two-factor authentication on Twitch. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on your Twitch account. There's already a video showing how to create your account step by step, guys. This video teaches you how to activate 2FA. Alright folks, let's get started. First, log into your account and click on this icon up here. Next, click on Settings. In Settings, you'll see options like Profile, Prime Gaming, and Channels, but click on Security and Privacy. Under Security and Privacy, scroll down to Two-Factor Authentication and click Set up Two-Factor Authentication. I'll click Enable here. Enter your phone number, then click below to continue. Your number will appear here. Check if it's correct. An SMS code will be sent to your phone. Enter the code here, then click below to confirm. Important note, I have this number registered on another account, so it asks if I want to activate SMS as two-factor authentication. Clicking on Skip Authentication App. To maximize security, I'll click Continue and scan this QR code with my authentication app, Google Authenticator. We have a video on using Google Authenticator on this channel. It's pretty straightforward. Download Google Authenticator, open it, and scan this QR code. After scanning, a 6-digit code will appear. Enter that code below. Then just click Send. And that's it, folks. Two-factor authentication successfully set up. Did you manage? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.